Today, we are going to show you the subsidiary ID function and its application. This function is very practical in the scenarios when crawler A is unexpectedly stuck in mud and can be operated manually. Drivers can switch to a new crawler, let's say B, with another ID to rescue. Different from model bindings, various IDs can be controlled individually, rather than both vehicle functions simultaneously if the A crawler initially stuck suddenly works again. In this video, I'm going to take 3 servos as an example to show you how to set up in the menu and change between different IDs when necessary. Firstly, let me power on the transmitter and reset the data by factory default. Then turn on the subsidiary ID function, which is called ID seed, as well in the menu. You can see from the menu that ID 01 is selected and find the ID number is also shown on the homepage screen. And let's take the first servo on the left as number 1 ID and do the binding. Long press the ID set and release. You can see the LED starts flashing. If there's no signal tower on the homepage screen, we need to try again. When the LED on the receiver is always on and there is a signal tower on the homepage of the transmitter LCD screen, meaning the binding is done. Then power off the first servo. We change the subsidiary ID number from 01 to 02 in the ID seed menu, then do the binding as the first servo. Then the third servo on the right. Same process. After all the bindings are done, power on all the 3 servos. Since this is the ID 03 display on the homepage screen, we can see only the green LED of the third servo on the right is always on. Those of the other 2 servos flash slowly. Rotate the steering wheel and the servo on the right is moving. Then we switch to ID 02. The LED of the servo in the middle is always on, while those of the 2 servos on sides flash slowly. Rotate the steering wheel and the servo in the middle is moving. Same test to the first servo. And this is how subsidiary ID functions with 3 models found. For example, this is the A boat with ID number 1, and this is the B boat with ID number 2. If boat 8 is accidentally broken in the middle of a lake and can be reached or operated, we can switch to ID number 2 and designate the B boat to rescue the A boat. So this is how the subsidiary ID function works. This function is available on both RadioLink pistol grip transmitters RC4GS and RC6GS with the receiver R7FG and corresponding firmwares. Please visit RadioLink official website for more details. Also, telemetry of vehicle voltage and RSSI can also be realized with the receiver R7FG.